Are you interested in discovering a unique way to make money online? If so, you're in the right place. In this video, we're going to dive deep into a creative and potentially lucrative method that involves harnessing the power of Google Translate, affiliate marketing, and a few other tools. By the end of this, you'll have a clear understanding of how to leverage these resources to potentially earn up to $174 a day in passive income. Brewing up profits and possibilities. That's what we do here at the Business Cafe, your source for all things money making. Let's start by breaking down the process into manageable steps. Step 1. Utilizing Google Translate. You might be wondering how Google Translate fits into the equation. Well, it's surprisingly simple. Google Translate is a free service provided by Google to the general public. It's primarily used for translation, but we're going to use it in a slightly different way to generate income. Here's the deal. You can earn money by translating sentences or words using Google Translate. For each sentence you translate, you'll get $1. If you decide to translate more sentences, you can potentially earn up to $50 a day. The best part is that you can do this all day long if you want to, which means you have the opportunity to make over $174 in a single day. The process is straightforward. You choose the language you want to translate from and then select the target language. For example, if you want to translate an English word or sentence into Japanese, you enter it into Google Translate, and it instantly provides a Japanese translation. It's user-friendly and efficient, making it the perfect tool for this income-generating strategy. Step 2. Registering with CPA Grip. Now let's move on to the next crucial step. To maximize your earnings, you'll want to partner with a reliable affiliate network. One of the top choices in the industry is CPA Grip. Before you can register with CPA Grip, make sure you have a Skype ID. You can create one for free on Skype's official website. Once you have that, you're ready to proceed. During the registration process, be sure to carefully read and agree to their terms and conditions. Two key points to note are that you agree not to complete the offers yourself and not to use proxy, VPN, or bot software to complete leads. Compliance with these terms is essential for a successful partnership with CPA Grip. Once you're logged into your CPA Grip account, you'll be greeted by a dashboard where individuals from around the world share their earnings. This global reach means that you can use CPA Grip to make money from virtually anywhere on the planet. Step 3. Exploring high-paying offers. Now that you're a part of CPA Grip, it's time to explore the world of offers. CPA networks like CPA Grip have a wide range of offers for you to promote. These offers often pay you for actions taken by the people you refer. However, not all offers are created equal, and that's where the secret sauce comes in. Here's a little known trick. Some countries have higher value offers. This means that when people from these countries complete an offer, you earn more money. Take France, for example. Offers targeting French-speaking users can pay as much as $23 per lead, significantly more than the $2 offered for the same actions in the United States. The reason behind this is simple. These countries are underutilized in the affiliate marketing space. Companies are willing to pay more to attract users from these regions, making it an attractive opportunity for savvy marketers. But France isn't the only high-paying option. Other countries like Spain, Australia, Switzerland, Brazil, and many more offer lucrative opportunities. The key is to find the best paying offers for your target audience. Step 4. Getting your affiliate link. To start promoting offers, you'll need an affiliate link. This link is your ticket to earning commissions when people take specific actions, such as signing up for an offer or making a purchase. To obtain your affiliate link for the offers in a specific country, follow these steps. 1. Select the desired country. For this example, let's stick with France. 2. Browse the available offers for that country. 3. Choose the offer that aligns with your strategy. In our case, we'll select an offer with a $10 payout. Before you proceed, it's essential to select a new tracking domain. This helps ensure the longevity of your affiliate link, as older domains can get banned more easily. Once you've chosen your offer and selected the new tracking domain, copy your affiliate link. This link is your gateway to potential earnings, so keep it safe. Step 5. Creating a landing page. Now that you have your affiliate link, it's time to create a landing page that will entice visitors to take action. This landing page will serve as the bridge between your promotional efforts and the offer you're promoting. To create a landing page, you will leverage the power of Google Sites, a free website building service offered by Google. Here's how to do it. 1. Start by deleting the default header on your Google site to keep things clean and focused. 2. Add the headline of your chosen offer. This headline should be compelling and grab the visitor's attention. 3. Upload an image related to the offer. This visual element helps make your landing page more engaging. 4. Include some descriptive text to provide context and persuade visitors to take action. 5. Add a button with a call to action or CTA that encourages visitors to click. This button will link to your affiliate offer. Customize the text, colors, and design elements to make your landing page visually appealing and persuasive. The goal is to make visitors curious and eager to explore the offer further. Once your landing page is ready, publish it and obtain a unique URL for your Google site. This URL will serve as a destination for your audience when they click on your promotional links. Step 6. Maximizing exposure with Pearl Tree. With your landing page prepared, it's time to share it with the world. One effective way to gain exposure and potentially earn more is by leveraging social media platforms. One platform that can be highly effective for this purpose is Pearl Tree. Pearl Tree is a social media website with a global audience, attracting more than 1.3 million visitors each month. It's similar to other social platforms like Threads and Twitter. To get started with Pearl Tree, you'll need to create an account. Once you're logged in, you can begin sharing your landing page. Here's how. 1. Click on the plus icon, usually located on the platform's interface. 2. Select the web page option to add a web page to your profile. 3. Paste the URL of your Google site landing page into the designated box. 4. Click Add to include your landing page on your Pearl Tree profile. Now, when visitors come across your Pearl Tree profile, they'll see the link to your landing page. This link will entice them to click and potentially explore the offer you're promoting. Each click can earn you a commission, and if the visitor decides to sign up for the offer, you'll earn even more, up to $11 per sign up. Combining Google Translate, CPA Grip, Short Earn, Google Sites, and Pearl Tree creates a powerful online income strategy. Translate sentences with Google Translate. Partner with CPA Grip for lucrative offers, build a compelling Google Sites landing page, and share it on Pearl Tree. Earnings of up to $174 daily are possible. Ready to start? Use the right tools and strategy to turn spare time into consistent income. Your financial success awaits. Thank you for joining us at the Business Cafe. If you find our content valuable, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell to stay updated with our latest videos. Your support helps us continue providing you with insightful content for your entrepreneurial journey. Remember, at the Business Cafe, we're brewing success one cup at a time. So sip, savor, and subscribe for your daily dose of entrepreneurial inspiration.